I pulled the car outside and turned the lights off my building so you can see the lights work on the car. This is actually pretty cool. And then that's the San Diego Harbor right down there. All the interior lights work as well. You got high beams, low beams. So when it's just the regular lights on, you just have that green light. And then when you put the high beams on, that red light comes on. So low, high, both work. Turn signals. You got the left indicator light works. And then you got the left rear indicator light. And then when you go on to the inside, turn it to the right. The right indicator. The front right works. The front right side marker. And the right rear.